Hi everyone! For this video, we're going to talk about the change of base in logarithm. So what is the change of base formula? So for example, we have the logarithm of a to the base b. This will become the logarithm of a divided by the logarithm of b. So this means that the base can be changed to any base. It can be 10, 7, 5. As long as they have the same base, we'll get the answer. So let's have an example. Let's have the logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to x. So change of base using the formula, it will be logarithm of 8 over the logarithm of 2. Using the calculator, logarithm of 8 divided by logarithm of 2, it will show that the answer is 3. In our scientific calculator, the logarithm button there has a base 10. Okay, so let's check. So using exponential form, so we can say that 2 raised to x is equal to 8. So what is x? So 2 raised to x is equal to 2 cubed. So x is equal to 3. Next example, evaluate the value of logarithm of 8 to the base 64 using the change of base formula. Okay, try this one, pause the video and do it on your own. Okay, let's check your answer. So, logarithm of 8 to the base 64 using the change of base formula, that would be logarithm of 8 divided by the logarithm of 64. And this is equal to logarithm of 8 over logarithm of 8 squared. Check the denominator and we can simplify this further by applying the one of the properties of logarithm. The logarithm of a raised to n. This is equal to n times the logarithm of a. So in this case, so let's have logarithm of 8 over, so this 2 move there will be 2 times the logarithm of 8. And we can cancel logarithm. So logarithm of 8 to the base 64 is equal to 1/2. Okay, next example, rewrite the following into single logarithm. Logarithm of 2 to the base 3 times logarithm of 3 to the base 4 and times logarithm of 4 to the base 5. So using the change of base formula, so the first one would be logarithm of 2 divided by logarithm of 3 times second term logarithm of 3 divided by the logarithm of 4, third term times the logarithm of 4 divided by the logarithm of 5. And this we can cancel out, this cancel out as well. So we have logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 5. And we can change this into single logarithm. So logarithm of 2 to the base 5. That's the answer.